In the world of manufacturing, precision is paramount. Meet the gold standard OEE. It's not just a metric. It's the key to identifying losses, benchmarking progress, and eliminating waste. Why overall equipment effectiveness is inevitable. Come, let's see. Pinpoint unproductive time. Benchmark your progress. Drive continuous improvement. Explore the benefits of using Ausweg IEOT. Seamless connectivity. Real-time data insight. Enhanced operational efficiency. Experience the transformative power of Ausweg's IEOT solutions, propelling your operations into a new era of connectivity and productivity.
Geared up to join the competition with Ausweg? Request a demo today. Contact at 72001155554 or visit our website www.auswegautomation.com.